Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your WIEPPO S5, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now let's scroll down and go for the languages and input. Tap on the virtual keyboard, select Gboard and click on the theme. Right now we have a couple of the themes here, so we can select one of them. I'm going for the simple color. So just tap on your favorite and click apply. And right now we go back and now open the keyboard. For example, in the messages, we can check that our keyboard theme has changed. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.